All right, folks, back here again, Ol'Murph with you. This time we have a whole chicken. That's right, we're cooking a whole chicken, and again, our fresh veg. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start out with the vegetables. We got our tinfoil tray, if you remember from last time. This is cauliflower, this is brilliant. We have our Asian mushroom. We got our carrot and zucchini right there, right in the tray, right in the tinfoil. Again, folks, it's not, you don't have to overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. Splash it, go all over it, put it around. Right? Just a little salt. You don't have to go crazy with it. Just a little. That's it. That's it. 21 seasons right here. We'll sprinkle that on there. And just like last time, my man, Lee Kum-Kee. Get him in the game. Yeah, like a teaspoon. Trust me, when we block this up, when the tinfoil, teaspoon and a half, when the tinfoil will lock in and secure those flavors, it's gonna be magnificent. That's all you need. Kim-Sum-Kee, there you go. This is the before. Wait till you see the after. You're gonna lose your mind. We go to our chicken, whole chicken. Look at this. Feed your whole family. This baby's ready to go. Now, this is something Ol'Murph, a little Ol'Murph trick. Okay? Why we have our baby on our back?
Baby got back.
Widen up those legs, widen up those things. Wings. Generous amount of salt. Again, go back to our 21 season. Get that on. Get that on. Don't be afraid. And I don't know. I'm feeling a little saucy, let's say. I'm feeling a little saucy. We have here Yamasa soy sauce. You know, hey, give it a shot. Flip our baby over. Look at that. Again, we're just gonna do the same thing on the back. I'm already smelling good vibes here. I can already tell. I'm gonna hit this baby again. A little bit of space. All right. We are prepped, set, ready to go with the ROTO-Q 360. All right, folks, here we go. Our bird is looking good and ready to roast. Normally, I would truss the legs and the wings, which means I tie it up, gets it nice and tight with a string. But these being the times that they are, I am all out of truss string. So we're gonna try it like this. We got our veg, we got cauliflower, we got zucchini, we got carrot, and we have the bird ready to go.
And always with the ROTO-Q 360.
Just give that trigger a whirl, and we are ready to rock and roll. Set the temperature to 375. I'm anticipating about a 45 to an hour bake. ROTO-Q 360. All right, folks, it's been about an hour. Let's see how the ROTO-Q 360 did with our rotisserie chicken. Wow! Would you look at that? Look at that. All right. Nice color, great aroma. 4-pound chicken. Fresh veg. Delicious. better than a restaurant.